In this lesson, we're going to write a higher pitched melodic part to act as a lead. Now, a lot of times the lead and the melody are not the same thing. The melody is the part of the song that you can hum or sing along to, sometimes called the hook. Simply stated, a lead is what's out in front to grab your attention. And in this case, we're going to write a melody that acts like a lead, so they can be the same thing. Now, everyone goes about writing these kinds of lines in different ways. Often they're composed on a guitar or keys by improvising a bunch of ideas while the rest of the song plays, and then going with one of those ideas as a starting point. We're going to make one from the chords we made in the previous lesson. On the lead track, let's make a new empty clip next to the busier clips. Let's make our clip 2 bars long, and then set our grid to 8th note. Let's pencil in C, E flat, G, and then A flat on every other grid line. And now let's play around with some of their lengths and timing. If I alt drag this A flat, I can make it into another note. We'll make this a G. And then maybe I'll use the up and down arrow keys to play around with this for a second. Okay, I actually like the tension created by moving it to F. Now let's duplicate the entire loop using the duplicate button over here on the left. Now, an effective melody usually has a 2-part structure, or this is one of the basic ways to think about it. So the first part is like a call, and the second is like a response. Moving the middle 3 here down an octave sounds pretty good, but now the F is weird. Let's move it around with the down arrow key. Okay, I like it on the B flat. Let's leave it right there. Now, what does this sound like if we move this whole performance up an octave? And a good and easy way to do this is to try using the pitch MIDI effect. Over here on the left in the browser, we see MIDI effects. And I'm going to click on the triangle next to pitch and drag +12 onto the lead track. Okay, well, let's turn it off, but let's leave it there for now in case we think it might be a good idea to use later. To get back to the clip view, just double click on any clip, or on the clip view selector down here in the bottom right. I prefer Shift Tab. And seems like maybe we're good to move on, so in the next lesson we're going to add some audio loops to our sketch.